So I grabbed about a minute or so of some footage from Quick Play when I was playing, and the audio messed up, so I'm just gonna put this stupid music over it. Okay, now back to being stupid. You want to say it again?
No.
Okay.
Where are we going?
Your
Stillwater?
mom's house? Oh, yeah.
Stillwater, more like stillborn.
Still at your mom's house? Ha! Oh,
Oh,
wow.
like honey.
Oh, oh. Go away. What?
Whoa, lag.
Oh, you're joking. You're joking.
Are you getting it too?
Yes!
It's not even processing in my game.
I can.
There we go.
I lost connection.
Yeah, so did I. Man, this emulator's thick. Yeah, and why do I have to hear his dumbass?
I don't know.
Oh, there
Cry
we go.
cloud error.
This is stupid!
See, I told you we should have gone to your mom's house.
That's what my hunter sounds like. Oh man!
What?
It's foggier than my bathroom in here. Oh my god, how do you use this gun?
Oh, are you using? Oh, you're using the nitro, huh?
How do you... What? How do you... I don't
Well,
understand it.
if I'm in your line of sight, like in the circle, then you think you have like a chance to hit me?
Hold on, let me see. I'm gonna get real far away.
Okay.
I just wanna like...
You
That went past your head, right?
Yeah, it did.
Okay. Oh!
Oh no!
I'm sorry!
Whoa. Did you experience that?
What?
I, started crouching backwards.
Oh no, that was just a rubber band.
Rubber band. Decent.
Here's money.
Can buy guns. Oh, it's right here. Stupid. Oh my god. Oh, hello sir. Ouch. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, but...
Oh my god.
It was an accident. Okay, fucker. Whoa, someone's here.
So I realized halfway into the editing, I have 40 minutes of footage that also has messed up audio, so I really messed that one up, didn't I? I need some help. Alright, time for some more stupid music.